report is our correspondent, Chill Wills.
How are things going, Sheriff?
Not too bad.
Fire's blown over there!
Can we defeat these things?
Well, we got 19 of them.
Do your best, Sheriff!
20 of them today.
If I was surrounded by 6 or 8 of these things, would I stand a chance?
If you got yourself a gun, shoot him in the head. Otherwise, get yourself a club or a torch. If you burn them, they go up pretty easy.
How long until the situation is under control?
There's one more right there!
We don't know how many there are, but we do know when we find them, we can kill them.
Are these things slow-moving, Chief?
They're dead. They're all dead.
Thank you for that report. We have word back from Ted. Ted, how's the situation by you? All right. We'll be back on the air as the situation develops. Good. No, it's our best bet is to get out of here.
If we can get to the nearest rescue station, we can get help for Karen. The man on the TV said there's one in Willard. That's only 17 miles from here.
How are we going to get there? We got a sick child, 3 women, it's dark, and we're surrounded.
How bad has the kid been hurt?
And it was only a little bite.
All right, everyone, huddle. Okay, here's the plan. Tommy, we're going to build a gas tank. I got the key right